In this video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror your camera in Microsoft Teams. This is useful if you want your video to appear flipped like a real mirror. Make sure you watch until the end. Let's get started. Go to the MS Teams application and sign into your account. Make sure your camera is connected properly before adjusting any settings. On the left side, click the Calls section. This will take you to the area where you can manage your call settings. In the bottom left, click Custom Setup. This opens the device configuration options. Click Device Settings. This is where you can adjust your audio and video preferences. Scroll down and you can see the Mirror My Video option. Just enable it. This will flip your camera so you see yourself as if in a mirror. And that's how you mirror your camera in Microsoft Teams. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!